Oh, here we go. So XG for you on. Ah, yes! Ha ha ha! Yes! Yes! Perfect activation!
Severe weather is expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather. The test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA weather radio and same alert systems. For Saturday night,
Haha, yeah! Baby! Perfect activation! Here we go. XG 42.
The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System on station WXJ42 from Meriden, Connecticut. During dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard.
Excuse me?
And receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can sometimes occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for all counties in the state of Connecticut, and for Nassau and Suffolk counties on Long Island and southeast New York. Once again, this was only a test. Here is the latest weather map discussion. High pressure will be in control of the weather with flight conditions through Thursday. Temperatures will be near seasonable levels during the day with readings in the upper 30s to lower 40s.
Merry Christmas to everyone who just saw this test. So, let's do a quick survey, shall we? So this one, we have the 12249. This one did not activate. Zone Guard went off, like usual. Zone Guard Plus, new radio I got this Christmas, went off. WR100 version 5 number 1 went off. WR120 EZ went off. WR400, new edition, WR300 version 8 went off. Or the deluxe version went off. Recom R1630, 12262 went off, 521 went off, Sanjian went off. Oh yeah, Max Digital went off for a unrecognized message, so that's kind of a partial fail, but I'll consider it a success either way because it activated. Oh, a new activation, Radio Shack 1296, that is a new radio that I got, 12519, that activated. 12991, that always activates. What is this? Oh, the Uniden WX100, that went off. Alert Works went off. Like always. WR100 version 5 number 2 went off. Midland HH54 went off, and the 74200 went off. Oh, but last but certainly not least, the Radio Shack 12259 went off. So, overall, Merry Christmas!